Bullish torrential slide cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $81.29 and $177.04 by 2030. Market investigators accept Avax could reach $81.29 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2022 is $14.45. Torrential slide presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that takes into consideration really decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a reasonable contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 Ph.D. moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to expel Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for shrewd agreement, while keeping up with versatility. It expects to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential slide essential investigation. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance and installments. Its fundamental point is to make these exchanges safer, proficient, and open to everybody. The torrential slide network is based on 3 points of support: security, dependability, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advances, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been extremely effective in drawing in clients and engineers. As a matter of fact, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its brilliant agreement. There are a few justifications for why torrential slide could be a wise speculation. First, the group behind the task is exceptionally capable and has major areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually advancing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, torrential slide major areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and dependability. The torrential slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the United Byzantine Understanding. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like confirmation of work and evidence of stake. Torrential slide likewise has an exceptional component called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can redo its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the guidelines of the whole organization. Torrential slide current cost. Torrential slide is presently worth $18.06 USD. Avax has moved 0.73% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $296,648,042. Torrential slide is presently positioned 16 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $5,552,799,816 USD. Torrential slide value forecast 2022. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Avax cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $27.10. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $25.29 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $21.68. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In 2023, torrential slide Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a VAX will before long outperform $45.16. Taking into account the market instability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $36.13 and a typical exchanging cost of $39.74. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $57.81 and a low of $54.19 in 2024. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. On the off chance that torrential slide effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, The AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2025. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $81.29, with a base cost of $72.26 and a typical cost of $75.87. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $93.94 by 2026, with a base cost of $90.32 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, AVAX has a most extreme value worth of $99.36. Torrential slide value expectation 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $112. In the event that a VAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $117.42. Neglecting to assemble the help AVAX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $108.39. Torrential slide value expectation 2028. While AVAX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $126.45 and a yearly cost close above $135.49 in 2028. Torrential slide value forecast 2029. By 2029, Torrential slide will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $144.52 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $153.55, averaging out at $148.13. Torrential slide value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest AVAX cost in 2030 is projected to be $177.04 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $169.81. And, in general, Torrential slide appears to be an exceptionally encouraging task with a ton of possibilities. In the event that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies, by and large, AVAX could be a decent choice for you. What is the Torrential slide cost today? Today, Torrential slide is exchanging at $18.06 with an all-out market capitalization of $5,552,799,816. Is Torrential slide a wise speculation? Torrential slide ended up being